Hello, welcome to Alpha English. I'm teacher Amanda. In this video, we will learn how and when to use the future perfect tense. When do we use the future perfect tense? We use the future perfect tense when talking about an action that will be completed before or by a certain time in the future. Let's look at an example of when to use the future perfect tense. He will have fixed the bike by the end of the day. The action will be completed by a certain time in the future. Let's see how to structure sentences in the future perfect tense. Affirmative sentences. Subject plus will have plus the past participle verb plus the rest of the sentence. Now let's see some affirmative sentences in the future perfect. She will have finished the book before her husband comes home.
Honey, I'm home. Hurry up! The bus will have left by the time we get there.
Okay, I'm coming.
I will have made loads of money by next year.
Now, let's look at the structure of a negative sentence in the future perfect tense. Subject plus will not or won't, have plus the past participle verb plus the rest of the sentence. Let's see some examples.
I'd like to check in half an hour, please.
I'm very sorry, but the room won't have been cleaned by then.
Darling, will the girls be home by 5 p.m?
No, they won't have finished skiing. Daddy, is that Mummy's plane?
Oh no, your mum's late. Her plane will not have landed by dinner time.
Now let's see the structure for interrogative sentences in the future perfect tense. Will plus the subject plus have plus the past participle verb plus the rest of the question. For negative interrogative sentences, the structure is as follows. Will plus the subject plus not have plus the past participle verb plus the rest of the question. Or we can use won't. Won't plus the subject plus have plus the past participle verb plus the rest of the question. Let's see some examples. I can't wait to see Lily's face at her surprise party later.
Will you have prepared everything before she arrives?
We're here for a week. Won't you have eaten all the food by the second day? Guys, go and see the movie without me. I've got so much work to do. Will you not have finished it by 8 o'clock? Great job, guys. Well done. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to Alpha English for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.